Hello again, everyone. Truck CB says here with a tune-up report for Rhett in Indiana. That's RCI-2995DXCF. Rhett, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Also, we put a filter in there to knock out all that bleed over. Some of these newer ones are kind of wide banded as far as adjacent to channel rejection. So that took care of that. And it's ready to go. Oh yeah, you got your amp on off switch back here too. Let's get ready to go here. We're going to start with our power all the way down, 100 watt slug. 5 watts all the way down. That'll work great to start out with for your Z-Box. Roll it all the way up. 42 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low. If I turn the mic gain up, I will. Hello, 70 bird, 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, about 172 peak. All right, Rhett, it's ready to come to you. I definitely appreciate you very much and your patience waiting for these beauties to come in. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.